Welcome to the in front of me Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So let's just first open the settings application and then scroll to the sounds and vibration. Here the first thing we can see that the silent mode switcher, we can turn it on or turn it off just by click on the switcher. We can see that when the silent mode is activated, the ringtones and notifications, they are muted, and if you when we'll turn it off, we can see that the ringtones and notifications, they will ring. We can also turn on or turn off the don't disturb mode. We can set a shadow, the start and the end time of the don't disturb mode. Also we can here let's just see that we can allow the messages, notifications and calls just from anyone, from any person, or just from any applications here. Also we can turn on and turn off the ring for repeated calls and to mute media when when the don't disturb mode is muted. So here we have the volume panels, the media, ringtone, notification and alarm volume panels. We can switch it by just slide to the left or to the right side as dots. We can change ringtone and notification sound. We can here turn on or turn off the vibration on ring mode and silent mode. Here we have also the haptics and tones. We can turn on or turn off the vibration on touch, the dial pad tones, the screen lock and lock sound, the screenshot sounds, deletion sound, the fingerprint animation sound and the touch sound. So we can turn on or turn off all of these options by click on each of the switchers here. And also we have here real sound technology. We can switch it from smart to movie, game or music. And in advanced settings we can switch the volume button function. So here on the left side of our device we have two volume buttons. Now just by press up or down volume button we'll switch the media volume. We can switch it here to the ringtone one. Also we can switch default recorder from auto select to the add-on, and we can also turn on or turn off the in-ear monitoring feature. So that's it. That's all of the sound settings of our Oppo Reno 7 Lite device. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.